Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use your device as remote control on Spotify. So let's try open your Spotify app on your Android phone or your iPhone, and you can go to the settings. You can scroll down and try to search the devices option. Here, connect to a device. Listen to and control Spotify on your devices. You can tap it, and here we go. You can use your mobile devices as a remote control. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click text button below. See you in the next video.